Namaste. How are you today? Are you good? Okay. So am I here. Thank you. Could you guess what I'm going to teach you today? Guess? Okay. Before guessing, I'm going to show two conversations. I'm going to read two conversations. After listening to them, definitely you could guess what I'm going to teach you, okay? So let me read the conversation first, okay? Here are two conversations. The first conversation is between Robbie and Sam. Robbie says, Sam, are you free tomorrow? Sam says, what time? Robbie, at 1 p.m. Sam, sorry, I will be learning English at the time tomorrow. Next conversation, Rabina. Rabina says, after a week, we have summer vacation. What will you do during summer vacation, Pragya? Pragya says, I'm thinking of going to Pokhara. I will go with my friends. We will be boating on Phewa Lake in Pokhara and taking lots of photos. Now, I think you could guess what I'm going to teach you. Look at the sentences in red color sentences. By these sentences, definitely you can guess. Now guess what I'm going to teach you, what I'm going to do today. Guess. Okay, yes, your guess is correct. The future continuous tense. I'm going to teach you today the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is called future progressive tense also, okay? It has two names, but the tense is one, okay? So you will learn today about the future continuous tense. Here, when we talk about future continuous or future progressive, first, it is about the future, okay? And second, that is about something that happens in the future or something that happens after now that continue for some time. It is something that happening, not it is something that happens that continue for some time, okay? Here is the timeline now, and before now, everything is past, and after now, everything is future, okay? Let's say in the future, tomorrow, when I say my English class will start at 8 a.m. and my English class will finish at 10 a.m., this is in simple future because it just happens. It does not keep on going, okay? But when we talk about future continuous, for example, tomorrow I will be learning English from 8 to 10. Here from 8 to 10 is the period of time, and I will be learning is the parts that shows that refers to future continuous, and 8 to 10 is the that means how long I'm learning. Okay, here how long I'm learning in the future. Here we say I say my class will start and finish, but here something going on. Okay, something happening in the future for some time. Okay. Now, when to use future continuous tense? Future continuous tense is used in different situations. One of them is it is used to talk about when something continues in the future for a period of time. For example, they will be learning English in ABC Language Institute from Bhadra 5th to Ashwin 5th. Here, Bhadra 5th to Ashwin 5th is the period of time. It will continue because they will be there to learn English language during that entire period, okay? In the same way, it is used to talk about when something continues during a particular moment. Okay. For example, I will be teaching at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Here, 11 o'clock is one of those moments during which you will be teaching. Okay. So it's not starting, it's not beginning. That means 11 o'clock is particular moment. This is the moment, and it is not starting, it is not finishing. Okay. Suppose you start your class 10 o'clock and finish 12 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, these are the moments. Okay. In which, sorry, these are the moments. It is a particular moment, but continue through that moment, right? Okay, next example, it is used to talk about future events that are planned. For example, I will be meeting my friend next week, okay? You have a plan to meet your friend. In the same way, next example, I will be visiting Pokhara. That means I have a plan to visit Pokhara. This is future plan action, okay? Next is here, it is used, future continuous is used with the following adverbs like at this time, tomorrow, at this moment, tomorrow, okay? It is used with the time markers like next year, this time, tomorrow, next week, like that, like this, okay? Some example of future continuous, okay? For example, he will be dancing at this time tomorrow. I will be doing my housework works when he arrives. She will be cooking this time tomorrow. Okay. They will be talking to their teacher. We will be dancing at the party this time next week. Okay. You will be learning science with me at this time tomorrow. And when I reach your place next month, it will be raining a lot. Okay. So we can use how to say them using contractions. Okay. For example, here, he will be dancing at this time tomorrow can be said by using contraction. It is like he'll be dancing at this time tomorrow. He'll. Okay. He'll is the contracted form of he plus will. He'll. In the same way, I'll. I'll is the contracted form of I plus will. So I'll be doing my housework works when he arrives. Okay. In the same way, she'll. She'll is the contracted form of she will. So she'll be cooking this time tomorrow. Okay. They'll is the contracted form of they plus will. So they'll be talking to their teacher. Okay. Will is the contracted form of we plus will. So we'll be dancing at the party this time next week. Okay. And you'll is the contracted form of you plus will. So you'll be learning science with me at this time tomorrow. When I reach your place next month, it will be raining a lot. So it will uh, be raining a lot when I reach your place next month. Okay. So we can use contraction also. Contraction is shortened form. Okay. Now, guess what is the structure of future continuous tense? Now tell me the future continuous, the structure of the future continuous. Okay, subject. After that, what comes? Okay, will be, right? Okay. And of ing. Of ing here, present participle. That means go plus ing going, read plus ing reading. Okay. So now the structure of future continuous, how to form the future continuous. Okay. Subject will be plus verb ing. Okay, next. Okay. Here are some examples of future continuous in negative form. I will not, okay, I won't be listening to the music at this moment tomorrow. Okay. Want is the contracted form of will not. So we can use contraction also here in negative too. Okay. I will not or I won't be listening to the music at this moment tomorrow. In the same way, he will not, he won't be. He will not reading this time tomorrow or he won't be reading this time tomorrow. Okay. Next example, she will not be playing football or she won't be playing football. Okay. Won't is the contracted form of will not. The same next example here, they will not be working or they won't be working. Okay. We will not be working or we won't be working, right? It will not be working or it won't be working. Okay, now what can be the structure of negative or future continuous tense? Now tell me please, try to tell me what is the structure of future continuous negative. Okay, subject will not, want plus be plus verb ing. Okay, first subject, as a subject you can use a new pronouns I, he, she, they, we, it, and after that will not be or won't be. Okay, then verb ing. Verb ing means present participle. Do plus ing, doing, that is the verb ing. In the same way, learning English, walking, reading. Now, make one sentence in this structure by looking at here. Try to make, okay, I will not be learning English. Yes, then I won't be learning English. Okay. She will not be working. She won't be working. Yes, and they will not be reading or they won't be reading. Okay, good. Now, questions. Could you tell me the structure of questions of future continuous? First, what comes? Yes, well, and then subject, after that be, and then verb ing, after that questions. Okay, don't forget to put questions. Now try to give some examples. Yes, will he be working this time tomorrow? Okay, and will they be singing at this time tomorrow? Okay, will he, they, subject, and be, verb ing, walking and singing. After that, something, something, then question mark. Okay. Let's do some practices here. Positive sentence here. I will read, they will read. These are in simple future tense. Now you change them into future continuous. What can be future continuous? Okay, I will read, they will read. What can be? Yes, I will be reading and they will be reading. Okay, I will be reading. This is future continuous. They will be reading. Yes, future continuous. Okay, now change now in negative. Change them into negative. What can be? She will be taking the bus. Yes, she will not taking the. Oh, sorry, she will not be taking the bus here. Okay, yes. Oh, here, sorry, here B is missing. Okay, she will not be taking the bus, and they won't be staying at hotel. Okay. In the same way, question here. Now try to make questions. He will be reading at 4 o'clock. Using what time? What can be the question? Yes, what time? After that, will he be reading? Okay, what time will he be reading? And will he be cleaning our, we will be cleaning our rooms. What can be the questions? Using what? Okay, what will we be doing? We will be cleaning our rooms. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Before this, I want to say shall is used with we and I, but I'm not using here shall because now shall is not used. Shall has been outdated. Okay. Now, thank you so much. this much today. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, like, and comment. Okay. Okay. Thank you.